In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a scroll link to your publication using the template editor. To start, you want to go to the top left to the Add button, and then under the Specials tab, you will see a anchor element. What you want to do is arrange your publication to where you want the scroll to go to, and then simply click and drag the anchor and then release. So I want to put the anchor to the bottom of the page, but you can place it wherever you want in the publication. I'm going to release it, and then you'll see some text just simply saying scrolling. Now what you want it to do is you can select an element to add a link to. For this, I'm just going to add a button. So now I have a button. I want to click on it, and then to the right side here under the settings for this element, I want to go to link, and then under link type, I want to choose scroll link. Now if you want to, you can click the scroll link and rename it. So I will just call it scrolling. So all I did was click it, go to the options for the element, and then rename it here. Now I will go to the back to the button. Under link, we chose scroll link, and then you'll see another drop down. From here, you then want to select the scroll link that you added. So as you can see, it's been named to scrolling. Now to test it, you want to hit save, and you'll also get a notification to say that it's saved, and then click the blue check button, and you'll get a preview of the publication. And now you can see that you can't actually see the scroll link that you put in the preview. So what you want to do then is click your button, and it will scroll down to the scroll link.